Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Monday the 14th of May. And today was another fun day in the markets. We did have a pretty large gap down to begin the day. A little bit of a sideways to lower chop, and then a kind of a choppy upward move. And that was basically the first half of the day. Today we took 5 trades, all successful. Our maximum profit potential that we were working inside was 6 3/4 points, or 27 ticks. Definitely played a little more conservative. Our actual points called out in real time, entries and exits, we made 4.5 points, or 10 ticks. Basically, the trades went, the market opened, it moved higher, it moved lower. Around this time here, we did grab a short, which we did take some profit on, and then we watched the market come up. We grabbed a long over here, and the market did come up in our favor, allowing us to take profit, and then it turned back around and eventually went lower. We grabbed a short over here, and we rode that down, giving us our third trade for the day. And then we watched the market come up again, and we went short again, taking some profit. And then we watched the market take off higher. It came down, and we got long on this move as it came higher, and the market did come down and it eventually did come, well, that's not really it, eventually did come higher. So that's basically what we were looking at. When I closed the room, I had defined defined target and stop levels, and the trade did work out for partial points, and then we got stopped out on the remaining. So that's what happened. That's what gave us the 4.5 points, and not too bad on the day. Let's round down 4 points at $50 per point, you're looking at $200 for 2.5 hours. Definitely not too bad. And with that, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on the S&P 500 futures market. It's my favorite market to trade. I have a lot of fun trading it. That's one of the reasons that I picked it to do the room. It is challenging, and it's challenging enough to where we have not every trade is successful. Not every trade is going to be successful, but it's challenging to where there's not a trade all the time. Sometimes we're just watching and taking a trade. 5 trades in a 2.5 hour period is not that much, and most of the time we have less than 5 trades. So a lot of times we're just watching the market. So, but I think that's why it's a lot of fun. It's a market that is fickle at times, and other times it kind of shows its hand, and I just find it very, very interesting. But anyway, if you check out the website, I do have the daily recaps, such as this video you're watching right now. It talks about the day and how it went and stuff like that. Also have a getting started page. It has a lot of commentary that I did, some videos if you check that out. Have a contact form on the right hand side if you have any questions, anything like that. Definitely shoot me out an email, any comments, suggestions, feedback, anything like that. Welcome it all. And with that, let's check out the news for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I'm losing my voice here. 8:30 in the morning begins the news. We have core CPI month over month. We're looking for 0.2%, same as the prior reading. Core retail sales month over month looking for 0.3%. Prior reading was 0.8. Retail sales looking for 0.2. Prior was also 0.8. CPI month over month looking for 0.1%. Prior was 0.3%. And Empire State Manufacturing Index looking for 9.3. Prior reading was 6.6. A lot of news right there at 8:30. So it should be very, very interesting for the market open. Also at 9 o'clock we have tick long-term purchases looking for 19.4 billion. Prior reading was 10.1 billion. At 9:30 we have an FOMC member Duke speaking, and especially if he talks about any of these numbers here, it will become an interesting speech. At 10 o'clock we have business inventories, and we're looking for 0.5%. Prior reading was 0.6. And NAHB housing market index looking for 26 versus 25. And that's what we're looking for tomorrow. A lot of news out. Should be very, very interesting for the market, and we'll see if all these numbers coincide or if all of them are different. So we'll be aware of that. 8:30 in the morning, 9 o'clock, and then 10 o'clock. So we'll definitely be aware of that. With that, if you do enjoy this video you're watching right now, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely appreciate the support, and thank you very much. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you in the morning. Thanks.